Good morning, students. In our this class, we are going to start the classification of the colloids. But before starting the classification of colloids, we have 2 points there: dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. You all know that how we prepare the solution. In case of the solution, we require the two components. One is solvent and another component is solute. Same thing is there. Dispersion phase and dispersion medium, we are here in this case. Just as in a true solution, the substance is dissolved is called as solute, and the medium in which it is dissolved is known as solvent. In case of the solution. In case of the colloidal systems, we use the terms solute and solvent are replaced by the terms dispersion phase and dispersion medium. So we replace the terms there. Dispersion phase means substance distributed in the dispersion medium. Dispersion phase means substance distributed in dispersion medium. Substance distributed in the dispersion medium from in the form of colloidal particles. In form of colloidal particles. So, what is the dispersion phase? Dispersion phase is the substance distributed in a dispersion medium in the form of the colloidal particles. The second thing, what is the meaning of dispersion medium there? Dispersion medium means medium in which the substance is dispersed, in which the substance is dispersed, or simply called the colloid, in which the substance is dispersed in the form of colloid particles. 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 In a very simple way, we can say that dispersion medium is behaving like a solvent. Dispersion medium is behaving like a solvent, and the dispersion phase is behaving like a solute there. So only the terms will change, the meanings will same there, and the colloidal system thus we obtained is sometimes called the colloidal dispersion there. We also know that colloidal system by the another term, and that another term is colloidal dispersion. That another term is colloidal dispersion. It means colloidal system is a heterogeneous system consisting of the two phases, and these phases are known as dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Now continuously we have what points in the classification of these colloids. On what basis we classify these colloids? What are the important bases? The first point, based on the physical state of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. Based on physical state of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. यानी जो डिस्पर्जन फेज और डिस्पर्जन मीडियम आप यूज में ले रहे हैं उसकी फिजिकल स्टेट कैसी है, उसके बेस पर आप कोलोइड्स को हाउ मेनी कैटेगरीज के अंदर आप कितने कैटेगरीज में उनको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव table there regarding to this point, and in this we have the first point here serial number, second point dispersion phase, second point is dispersion phase, third point dispersion medium, fourth point we have is name, and last point we have is examples. So how we classify them on the basis of the physical states. In the case of the dispersion medium, if we have the dispersion medium there, that is solid, liquid, gas, and dispersion phase, here we have the same dispersion phase. Dispersion phase is solid and solid. So what we are changing? We are changing the dispersion medium, or we are changing the solvent in case of the solution. So when we have both dispersion phase and the dispersion medium as solid, then we get the solid sol. The name of this is solid sol. An example of solid sol, some colored glasses. Colored glasses are examples of this. Colored glasses. The second liquid solid. So liquid solid, that is known as simple sol, and examples paint, cell floods, color paints, cellular floods are the examples of these. Third we have gas and solid. In case of gas and solid, that is aerosol, that is known as aerosol. Smoke and dust. Examples are smoke and dust are the examples of this kind. Smoke and dust are the examples of this. In case of aerosol, quantity of gas is more. In case of sol, quantity of liquid is more. In case of solid sol, the quantity of the dispersion medium is more with comparison to the dispersion phase there. So this is the three types of these. Now another types we have. In this case, now we have the components, different components there, and gas, solid, liquid. In case solid, liquid, gas, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Now the dispersion phase will change. Now the dispersion phase is liquid in all these three cases. We have the dispersion phase as liquid in all these So liquid is dispersing into the solid. The example is gel. Liquid is dispersing into the liquid. The examples are known as emulsions. The third, the liquid is dispersing into the gas. Here again we have the example of aerosol there, and these aerosol are fog, mist, cloud. Examples of these are fog, mist, cloud. In case of emulsions, example cheese, butter, jellies, cheese, butter, jellies. In case of the first word example, we have example in this case we have cheese, butter, jelly there for this, and in case of emulsions we have the examples of milk, hair cream, hair cream. So again I am repeating, if we have dispersion medium is solid and dispersion phase is liquid, then we get the gel condition, and this gel condition is present in cheese, butter, jelly. But in second case we have liquid, then that is known as emulsion, and milk, hair cream, they are the examples of emulsion. In case of sixth condition, where dispersion medium is gas and dispersion phase is liquid, we have the examples of fog, mist and cloud in that particular case. So this is the classification of the colloids. We have two more conditions are there in which the dispersion phase will be gas, and the dispersion medium will be solid and the liquid. So what are the examples of these? The name of the examples is solid form and form, that is known as solid form, and that is known as form. So we have the example of pumice stone, that is the pumice stone is the example of solid form, and in this case we have example froth, F-R-O-T-H, froth, that is the example. So these are the classification of the colloids on the basis of the physical state of dispersion medium or the dispersion phase. If on the basis of dispersion medium, we have water, alcohol, benzene and gases. Water, alcohol, benzene and gases as a sol material. When we have the water, that is known as aquasol. When we have the alcohol, then that is the alkosol. When we have the benzene, that is known as benzosol, and in case of the gases, that is known as aerosols. So on the basis of name of dispersion medium, on the basis of name of dispersion medium of this, we have the different names for these colloidal solutions there.